Doing well. Today I'm trying to take the eMMC hard disk or IC disk of the mobile phone. This is the LG one, but for the all mobile phones are same. So I will try to take out this, try to reball and resolder and turn it on again. To start, we need some hanging like this, and also we need some flux. My flux is type YX223 and it is good enough for this one. And also of course you need the hot air gun. I have like this. I'm in trip and is much better to use the desktop version, but this is also working very well because of, as I told you, I'm in trip and I'm using for the portable one. Okay, I'm going to turn on the hot air and wait until 480 degrees. Very well, it's going to be hot. I will try to put the flux. Very well. You need one tweezer like this is very well, and it's much better to use the straight head of the tweezers. I have some metal cover I take out from the other part of the RF protection unit of the mobile phones or any other electronic equipment. Put here to keep safe the other parts of this main board from the hot air. Also this one is very well. Right, so it should be the hot air gun should be completely straight on the board, and it need a little bit rotation all over the IC. You should take care of the wax situation. It should be completely like as shiny and dry. Something like 2 centimeter is good enough to hot air gun away of the IC. Very well. It's take out and pick up the IC. Just take a look, all pins are adjusted and it is still fixed. Very good. This is a propanol spray. I'm going to do a little bit to become cold faster a little bit. You can use thinner or any other liquid isopropanol alcohol to wash the ICs or other part of the main board. it is ready, it's much better to not touch the ICs without hand protection or electrostatic protection. This is the first part. Now we should to go for the Rehot and reball the IC